bought this off of Amazon. I've seen videos with it. It makes it easy to install the keepers and to put your valves and stuff back on. You don't need to be using a valve spring compressor, stuff like that. This will do everything for you. Right now I'll show you guys how it works and how to do it. And what I'm going to be doing it on is this right here, which I already did it on these. It's a Raptor 700 with dual valve springs, titanium retainers, all the works. But it works for everything, cars, everything. So check this out. I'm going to be trying out this new tool just to show you guys how this works. So it's to put the little keepers in and the valve springs on. So here's the valve spring I'm going to put. These are double springs, extremely tight. This is for a Raptor 700. But this works for all of them. So we're going to put that. And you get the titanium retainer. Sit right there. Let's put a little bit of grease just to hold the keepers in. And I'm going to put that side. And then this side. Okay. Okay, so I got them in there. So all you do after that, you put something under this real quick. Let me hold this up. So you guys can see this. Like that, push it, and then it locks it in. So it's super simple. You just got to put a little bit of pressure, but it's hell easy. It works for all the motors, especially those little Predators and all that other stuff.